Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the essentials. Open Realme Link and make sure you are signed in. Once done, grant camera permission. This app needs live camera access to scan. Next, place the device QR code about 10 to 20 cm from your phone in good light. This makes detection faster. You should see the home screen. Tap Add Device or the plus button to start scanning immediately. Do not switch apps, keep the phone steady, and keep the codes centered on screen. You now perform the actual scan. Tap Scan QR code and bring the camera slowly toward the code until the app focuses. If focus hunts, tap the screen to refocus. Once focused, the app reads the code automatically. In dim light, enable the flash icon or raise screen brightness to improve contrast. If scanning still fails after about 10 seconds, switch to manual input. Enter the device ID shown on the sticker. This alternative prevents. Once the code is read, confirm the device appears in your device list and follow the setup prompts to name and assign a room. You should test basic controls to verify pairing. If the app suggests a firmware update, install it. Updates often fix connectivity. If things go wrong, try one key troubleshooting step. Reboot the device, close and reopen Realme Link, then retry scanning. This simple reset clears common handshake errors and usually resolves scan or pairing failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.